can work with this in the dark. Okay, so here, right. That's because the insulation of my shoe is so much that it's like it's floating like this, as if I'm floating. Look at the insulation. So if I don't touch the metal, the tester is not able to show. Let's see this. So this is where you separate the load. They are removed from DB points. These are the points. So this is the distribution box. The distribution box now. These are various circuit breakers. 10 amp, 25 amp, 20 amps, 10 amp. Some are for AC, like this 10 amp may be for lighting circuits, while this 25 will be for AC. So if we need to separate the circuit now, so what we need to do is to pick those places where we want to put on the inverter, remove them from their respective, for example, this has been removed. So we note where in the house or in the building where those points belong to. So all the points are picked from those various circuit breakers and wired together. This is the cable that comes from the inverter. It's a 10 mm cable that brings the current from the inverter to this distribution box. So at this distribution box now, we have picked all the various wires from each of the offices in this building, and then all the respective offices that need to be supplied with electricity are all tied together and then connected to the inverter. So this is how we have this now. Okay, as you can see, this is the distribution box now. So that's how it's done. But in this situation where you find out that maybe there's an office that is not supposed to be there, then you come here, unwrap, and then remove them and confirm. somebody has to be at the other end, cross-checking for you to be sure that you get the right information. So you can remove this yellow, for example. I will take note of which office went off, or which light in which office went off, like that. So you now know which areas are supplied. So that's basically how to do load separation in a house. If the decision box is well constructed and the electrician did a good job, then the circuits will be well arranged such that categories of equipment are on a particular breaker. Then you can easily select those ones that need to be there. And in most cases where you are using inverter, where you are not putting on the AC on the inverter, so you leave them as they are. Like these 30 amps now are probably ACs, so they are not connected to this. For that reason, these are 30 amps, right? But these 10 amps are probably lighting points where you can remove and put together here. So that's basically how to do load separation. You can see it very well. So this is now wired together. This is the 10 amp from the inverter. You can see it runs out like that. Okay, so this is where we do the load separation. Okay, well done. Good afternoon. No. Yeah, everybody. Okay. It was